Alright, is it working? That's pretty good. So, in the last video, we did the Big Colonel King, and that was pretty spicy. That spicy mayo, so I had to get something to drink. But we've got another burger I want to try out, and that's going to be, what should we call it? Maybe like the Nacho Burger. The Nacho Burger. Okay, so how's the Nacho Burger going to work? Well, I'm going to take like a beef hamburger here. Okay. Well, I think with a Nacho Burger, you'd kind of make it like nachos, right? So, let's see. Let's start out with this. I'm going to open these up. Okay. Now, usually you don't put chips on a burger because chips are kind of hard, right? They don't really necessarily mix well with beef. But with the Nacho Burger, there is a way. See, we're gonna make this a little bit softer. So I got some of this hot sauce here, and this will definitely make the chips a little bit softer. So they kind of, we don't want to have them be too crunchy. They're gonna mix just right. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh man, nowadays they make things so hard to open. There's all this packaging and stuff. Okay, come on. It's getting there. It's getting there, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Just the packaging's just kind of frustrating. Oh man. We'll get it there, guys. Don't worry. Just gotta have a little bit of patience. And there we go. Can you see the hamburger in the shot? Oh, God dang it. It's hard to do this without a cell phone camera. Trust me, if my cell phone was working, this would be way easier to make this video. But it's just not working, so there's not really anything I can do about it until it's fixed. And try to angle this right, but oh man, this is so annoying. Don't even get me started on planned obsolescence. Like, I feel like they could make a phone that lasts forever, and they purposely make it so they break down to force you to keep buying more. I don't think the technology we have is actually as good as it could be. I think they purposely make it to break down so we have to buy more, but I'm going to get this going. We just got to get the sauce open. Okay, the packaging's coming off. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Now this stuff is pretty strong too, so we just want to get these chips to be a little bit softer, right? And just do that and kind of let it sit there. Kind of soften them up a bit. Ooh, that's a little bit saturated. Okay. Let that sit for a bit. And then we're going to put, so we got the hot sauce on them. Now we got to put salsa sauce. Or should we do cheese first? You know what? We'll do it in the order of cheese, salsa, and then sour cream, okay? So we'll get our nacho cheese. Let me put that on here. Alright. And that's for the cheese. And then we're going to put some salsa on that. There we go. And we'll get some salsa And where did I put the extra spoon for that? No, we just use this one. Whatever. Look at that. Look at that. We try to. It's gonna be like a nacho hamburger. It's kind of cool. It's a cool concept. So then we got our sour cream. Just get it out. Okay. We'll try it out. We'll see how this tastes. I got a spoon. Okay. Put this on. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah. Spread it around. Look at that. Look at that. We're making the nacho burger. Okay. And then we gotta put bacon on it, of course. Oh, come on. You know Aaron made it. It's gonna have bacon on it in some capacity. Okay. And then you put the top on. And then there you have it, guys. You've got the nacho burger. Look at that, dripping with goodness. Look at that, the nacho burger. So we're gonna try it out or what? Nacho burger. Let's see how it tastes. It's a little bit messy, but I bet it tastes good. Oh yeah, this is good. Nacho burger's good. Oh my god. This is awesome. So, the Big Colonel King was really good, but I think for next time, I'm going to have to get maybe like thinner cuts of chicken and beef, or maybe a thinner cut of cheese, so that the Big Colonel King is easier to eat, but the nacho burger is really good. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to make a restaurant that like produces this. Seriously, this is so good. It's just spicy though. It's got a good kick. And it is messy, but sometimes messy food is fun. So there you have it, guys. Let's go. Yeah, it mixes together how I wanted it to. This is good. That's good. Oh my god. That's filling too. Alright guys. That's it. We have the Nacho Burger and the Big Colonel King.